This is my final project for CS50, web programming with Python and JavaScript, and it's a small network for families or small groups where you can share tasks from day to day, chats, pictures, media, anyway, and have a contact list. I already created a new user to show the access he can have or she. So a new user without a profile or group doesn't see anything. We must create a new profile. I can add a picture to the profile without getting to the edit mode anytime. I can edit profile. Our user asked Grace to create him to get him in a group, so she's administrator, she can do it. And now he's going to be able to see everything that is going on with the group, including chat. And if there is more thing, he can pass the page, but the open tasks, just 5, and the last 5 tasks. Let's see tasks. At the front page, the panel page, you can see all tasks of the group, not all, just the marked as concluded and the first 5 tasks. But if you go to the task page, you can see all your tasks and all the tasks of your group with all details. You can create a task for you or for anyone that is on your group. And you can change anything on the tasks that are yours. So and you to show your new tasks on the group on the panel page. A user can be part of more than one group, and you see the contacts for all the groups, and you see all the tasks for all the groups and what everyone posted in the group.